Where is the certificate folder in Windows 7? Can we know the exact location of the certificate, DigiCert, VeriSign, etc.? Right now the only way to check the certificate is by using the MMC application in System32 or in our web browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, etc., Internet options.
Windows Certificate Store is mostly stored in the registry as outlined here. However, while IE, Chrome, Safari/iTunes, Outlook, etc. use Windows Certificate Store, Firefox and Thunderbird use NSS Cross-Platform Certificate Store. Opera also uses its own separate certificate store. If you want to access Windows Certificate Store, then you should use Microsoft's Crypto API. If you want to access the NSS Certificate Store, then you can use the NSS library.
There isn't any folder of certificates in Windows. It is stored in an internal database, Windows Registry, that you interface using the ways you listed in your original question. The easiest way to get to that database is just put certngr.msc in your start/run box. If you are really curious, you can find the actual registry entries under in HKey_current_user for user-specific certificates and HKey_local_machine for machine-specific certificates, but they will be unreadable binary blobs. It is just better to use the MMC snap-in I listed earlier.
Here is a location summary, registry keys and files. User level, registry. HKey_current_user /software/Microsoft/system certificates contains setting certificates for the current user. HKey_current_user /software/policies/Microsoft/system certificates, like the previous location, but this corresponds to user certificates deployed at GPO, group policy. HKey_users /sid user /software/Microsoft/system certificates corresponds to the configuration of certain user certificates. Each user has its branch in the registry with SID, security identifier. Computer level, registry. HKey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/system certificates contains setting certificates for all computer users. HKey_local_machine /software/policies/Microsoft/system certificates, like the previous location, but this corresponds to computer certificates deployed at GPO. Service level, registry. HKey_local_machine /software/cryptography/services/service name/system certificates contain setting certificates for all services on the computer. Active Directory level, registry. HKey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/enterprise certificates, certificates issued at Active Directory level. And there are some folders and files corresponding to the Windows Certificate Store. The folders are hidden and public and private keys are located in different folders. User certificates, files. Computer certificates, files. Extracted from this URL.
The certificates are stored in the registry at personal certificates, or other certificates specific to the logged-in user are at. They are stored as binary blobs, so they need to be decoded, and the MMC plugin is a good way to do this.
Give a chance to PowerShell.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.